Let S be equal to 133 cube minus 87 cube minus 47 cube, which of the following is not true. Okay, you can again pause the video and try it out. It's a very simple one again. Okay, let's discuss. So it is given that S is equal to 133 cube hai. Guys, minus 87 cube, I can write it as plus 87 plus लिख के minus 87 the whole cube, right? Because see, if you write this as minus 87 the whole cube, इसको cube करेंगे वापस minus sign बाहर आ ही जाएगा, right? Okay, so writing it as plus of minus 87 cube will not make any difference. Okay, same thing you can do for plus minus 46 cube, right? It's an even power, it's an odd power, minus sign anyway बाहर आ ही जाएगा. So minus 87 cube लिखो चाहे minus sign बाहर लिखो, doesn't make a difference, right? Now the advantage of doing this is, guys, we observe that 133 plus minus 87 plus minus 46, this is equal to 0, right? Right? So if we saw that a plus b plus c is 0, a cube plus b cube plus c cube किसके बराबर होगा? वो इसके बराबर होगा 3 into a into b into c, right? Okay, now let's check the options. S is divisible by both 23 and 29. 23 2 होता है 46, 29 3 होता है 87. So yes, it is divisible by 23 and 29. It is divisible by 19 and 29 from B option. 29 19 7 133 होता है. So yes, 19 से भी divisible है. S is divisible by both 23 and 7. Yes, 23 2 is 46 we saw, and 19 7 is 133. So 7 and 23 दोनों से divisible है. S is divisible by both 4 and 19. No, इनमें से कोई भी टर्म 4 से divisible नहीं है. हाँ, ये वाला टर्म 2 से divisible है, but not by 4. Any of these terms. Okay, none of these terms are divisible by 4, right? So, which is not true. The D option is not true. As simple as that. Let's go on to the next question, guys. Find the sum of all the roots of the below equation. A minus 2 the whole cube plus a plus 5 the whole cube is equal to 2a plus 3 the whole cube. Okay. Now, what you can do is you can take 2a plus 3 on the left hand side. So you will have a minus 2 the whole cube plus a plus 5 the whole cube minus 2a plus 3 the whole cube, right? Guys, this minus of 2a plus 3 the whole cube, as we saw in the previous question, can be written as plus and minus sign inside, right? Because anyway, when you cube it, the minus sign will come outside. It's an odd power, right? Okay, minus a negative number is to any odd power, the answer is always negative, right? You can check minus 2 ka cube kitna hoga? Minus 8 hoga na? Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 will give minus 8. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 will again give minus 1. Minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 multiplied will give minus 27, right? Okay, so this is the given expression. Okay, now guys, here the three terms you can consider are a plus 2, a plus 5, and minus of 2a plus 3, right? What do you observe for this particular three terms, a minus 2, a plus 5, and minus 2a plus 3? Okay, a plus a 2a minus 2a cancelled. 5 minus 2 is 3, minus 3 gets cancelled. Okay, so sum of these three terms is simply equal to 0. So sum of these three terms is simply equal to 0. Right? So what do we know? Whenever a plus b plus c is 0, okay, a cube plus b cube plus c cube किसके बराबर होगा, guys? A cube plus b cube plus c cube बराबर होगा 3a b c के, right? Right? So this is the expression they are talking about. Okay, find the roots of the below equation. So this is the equation they are actually talking about. Okay, when we change it in this form, now you can observe. ओके इसका रूट्स निकालना काफी इजी है. इसके रूट्स कौन से होंगे? देखो रूट मतलब ये इक्वेशन 0 कहाँ पे होगा, राइट? ये इक्वेशन 0 कब होगा? एट ईदर a equals to 2. If you put a equals to 2, ये पार्ट 0 हो जाएगा. Entire thing becomes 0. Okay, if you put a is equal to minus 5, okay, if you put a equals minus 5, this part becomes 0, or the expression becomes 0. And also a is equal to minus 3 by 2 or minus 1.5 for that matter. Okay, you put that here, the entire thing becomes, this part becomes 0, and then the entire part becomes 0. So there are three roots to the given equation, 2, minus 5, and minus 1.5. Okay, they're asking you sum. So add 2, minus 5, minus 1.5, minus 1.5, and 5 will give minus 6.5 plus 2, minus 4.5 is the required answer.